Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a new King of Christmas tree. This year I went with a slim. I really love the one that I chose last year, but this one is actually flocked. So it has 650 warm white LED lights, and it has different settings. It comes with a control. It's 7.5 feet. It's a slim tree, like I said. And let's unbox it together. That way you can kind of see. Every year I do one of these and you guys seem to love it. So this year I'm going to be unboxing a slim but flocked. Okay, let's do an ASMR. Okay, here are the legs. Here are the gloves, the control, and it has all of those settings. And I love that it comes with a bag.
No, I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you. We'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl,
Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna connect it. I have my connection right there, and let's see if it works. There it goes. There it goes. Ugh, it's just gorgeous. Let me turn off the light. Even though it's super sunny out, I should have done this on a rainy day, but I wanted to have everything ready already because it's November 8th, and I usually have everything done by November 1st. So I'm kind of late this year, guys, but I'll take this out and make sure it works. Give me a minute here. I'm watching Holiday in the Wild on Netflix. It's a couple of years old, I feel like. Alrighty guys, did this like in 35 minutes, 30 minutes while the baby naps. She's down for a nap, watching the Holiday in the Wild, and looks so good. I feel like this side I did a really good job. I need to go and close some gaps on the other side, but here it is. There's the flocking that fell, which is not bad at all, because my Walmart one, like I told you a couple of years ago, I had a Walmart flocked one. It was horrible. I was even choking. With this one, we're all good. I am gonna sweep in a minute. So yeah, here it is. You're kind of getting a sneak peek of what I have on my mantle. I already have a candy cane out. You know it's not a video without my dog Shih Tzu. And here she is.
no, I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you. We'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night.